Okay, let's continue. Number 12, MCQ number 12. If the CPI rises from 140 to 154, the inflation rate is 8%, B 9%, C 10%, D 11%. Number 13. Which factor is not directly related to the impact of inflation on wages? Letter A, rate of inflation. Letter B, length of time considered. Letter C, wage growth rate. Letter D, number of working hours per week. Number 14, an employee earns 600,000 annually. If CPI is 120 this year and 132 next year, what is the inflation rate? Letter A, 8%, B, 9%, C, 10%, D, 11%. Number 15. If an employee's wage rises by 5%, but inflation is 7%, their purchasing power, letter A, the letter A, increased by 2%, letter B, decreased by 2%, letter C, stays the same, D, doubles. Answer key for lesson 7. Please proceed to lesson number 8. And the answer key for lesson 6, determining the impact of inflation on costs over time, is as follows. Number 1, letter B, a sustained increase in the general price level over time. Number 2, C, price times 1 plus 0.05 raised to cube. Number 3, raised to 3. Letter A, number 3, letter A, 50 times 1 plus 0.04 raised to the fifth power. Number 4, FP is equals to present value times 1 plus inflation rate raised to n. Letter number 5, A is equals to 40 times 1 plus 0.05 raised to the 10th power. Letter number 6, a bus fare increases from 20 pesos to 25 pesos over 2 years. Number 7, C, decreases over time. Number 8, A, 5,000 times 1.08 squared. Number 9, C, decrease in money supply. Number 10, A, 1.2 times 1 plus 0.03 raised to the 6th power. And then number 11, A, 14.4 years. Number 12, B, years is equal to 72 divided by inflation rate. Number 13, A, 15 times 1.06 raised to the 4th power. Number 14, B, savings lose purchasing power over time. Number 15, A, 20,000 times 1.04 raised to the fifth power. Okay, and that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery.